Hello lovelies, you're welcome back again to Time with Josies. As you all know, I'm your girl Cynthia. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you're very much welcome. Please do subscribe to this channel. I will really be grateful. And don't forget to like, share this video, and don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon so that you will be alert whenever I drop a video. Okay, so today I'm making this soft delicious coconut bread. I actually tasted this the first time I went to the Philippine market and it tastes so delicious. So without wasting much time, let's get right into this video. Yay! Our bread is ready. Our coconut bread, the Philippine style, is ready. Wow, this is so soft and so delicious. All right, please do try this recipe out and tell me your outcome. Drop your comment, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share my video, please guys. Help your girl grow our channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon so that you will be the first person to get alert whenever I drop my video. Wow, look at this, so soft and so delicious. Wow, the coconut inside is out of this world. I don't want to say too much. Just try this recipe out and tell me the outcome. Okay, all right, until we see again on our next video, stay safe, remain blessed, and bye bye.